Here's a word problem that you're going to see it on the next test. Let's set this up. If we have a 20% acid solution is mixed with 80% acid solution to make 120 liters of 50%. So we can make a picture like that. So if I assume that the first one is 20% and the next one after that is 80%, and ultimately we're going to get 50% out of this. Okay, in this case we have the 20% acid solution is mixed with 80% to make 120. So we have 120 liters here. The amount is not known. So if I assume we have n liters here, if I use n liters here, what would be how many liters would be for that we use for 80% solution? Anyone? Anyone? Tara, your mic's not working very good. Angel says, can you repeat the question? Yes. If I use n liters of 20% solution, how many liters I have to use here for 80% solution to get 120 liters?
N minus 120.
You said n minus 120. You mean 120 minus n, right? Because the total is 120. So it would be 120 minus whatever we used for the 20%. Does that make sense? So this is how you set up the equation. You said you would say 20% times n plus 80% times 120 minus n is equal to 50% times 120. That's how you set up the equation. And you solve for n. So 20% would be 20 divided by 100 would be 0.2. 80% would be 80 divided by 100 would be 0.8. 50% would be 50 divided by 100 would be 0.5. And you can multiply each term by 10 to eliminate the fraction. So that would be 5 times 120. And then now we don't have any fraction, you can solve for n. Once you find n, then you can subtract that from 120. That give you the amount in liters you need to use for each of these solutions. Okay, I'll let you finish this. All you need to distribute here and solve for n. You get a similar problem like that is in the take-home test. Make sure you review that, and the solutions are given to there as well. Can I see a check mark in front of your name if you all can follow this, if you haven't done it already? Okay, good. Everybody good. All right.